Internet and Mobile Association of India versus Reserve Bank of India 2020. The Reserve Bank of India is the regulator of the entire banking sector in India. However, does RBI possess the power to regulate cryptocurrencies? Reserve Bank of India in 2018 instructed entities regulated by the central bank to terminate any relationship with individuals or business entities dealing with virtual currencies. Many cryptocurrency enthusiasts questioned this order. Questions were raised about whether the powers of RBI as regulatory authority were exercised properly in a manner prescribed by law while dealing with cryptocurrencies. In the Internet and Mobile Association of India versus Reserve Bank of India case, the Supreme Court decided in favor of cryptocurrency transactions in India after using the doctrine of proportionality. As a result, the RBI circular to regulate cryptocurrencies was declared illegal and set aside. This paved the way for facilitating the exchanges of crypto traders not only in India but around the world. Introduction. Throughout history, various mediums of exchange have been used to meet people's needs, beginning with the barter system and progressing to coins, currency notes, and so on. However, in the 21st century, with technological progress, we have arrived at an intangible medium of exchange. It is known as cryptocurrency, also known as virtual currency. However, what distinguishes cryptocurrency from traditional currency is that it is decentralized, which means that it is not regulated by any central authority in the world. However, cryptocurrencies are protected by blockchain, which ensures their security and the augmentation of their price in the future. The rise of crypto asset funds demonstrates that these new financial products have the potential to replace traditional currencies if the governments approve their use globally. Background. In his budget statement on January 31st, 2018, the Minister of Finance stated that the government did not view cryptocurrencies as legal tenders and that it would take all necessary steps to prevent their use for funding illegal activities or as a component of the payment system. He did add, though, that the government would actively look into using blockchain technology to usher in the digital economy. On 5th April 2018, the RBI issued a statement on development and regulatory policies instructing entities regulated by the RBI to not deal with services to any individual or businesses dealing with virtual currencies and to terminate any existing relationship with such individual or businesses dealing with virtual currencies. The Internet and Mobile Association of India, which represents the interests of the online and digital services industries, have filed a writ petition to challenge this prohibition. One of the main grounds for the challenge was that virtual currencies are not legal tender but tradable commodities or digital goods not falling within the regulatory framework of the RBI Act 1934 or the Banking Regulation Act 1949. According to Section 2H of the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, an examination of the definition of currency, they may fall under the category of other similar instruments. Furthermore, it was argued that these services could not be classified as a payment system, resulting in their exclusion from the Payment Settlement and Systems Act of 2007. Hence, the Internet and Mobile Association of India took a stand that RBI cannot regulate virtual currencies in India. Legal issues involved. Whether the RBI possesses the power to deal with, regulate, or even ban virtual currencies, or whether the exercise of powers of regulatory authority was exercised properly in a manner prescribed by law.